Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is Boxycharm Premium. This is June's box, last month's box. And I already opened it and everything. It says Hello Charmer. And it always comes with blue inside and a blue spongy thingy. Keep these for your sponges to clean, so that's not a big waste. And just keep on watching to see what I got. Set that down on the floor. And this variation is 56. And this is the Oasis from last month. And this is the card. Shows you the prices, they are all about, and what I got. So keep on watching. I didn't choose anything because my boyfriend purchased this for me because I was like, I don't have, that much money to spend, and I really want to try the Boxy Premium, so yay. So my boyfriend got this for me, so we'll try it for a couple months and see if I like it or not. And if I do like it and he decides not to pay for it anymore, then I might just like squeeze a little bit and then out for like extra each month. This is $35 plus $5 for taxes, and so that's $40 more each month, and the 27 because the 25 box is a smaller and you get 5 products. This is to 6 products to 7, but usually I see 6 products. So the first one I have Living Proof Restore Instant Protection for its weightless heat and UV protection. So this is good if I curl my hair because I have really fine thin hair, and this will be good to have heat protective, and I really do enjoy heat protective things and hair masks, so this is pretty good. And it's a full size. This is 188 ml, 5.5 ounce, so that's pretty good. That'll last like a long time, so I really need that, especially when you live somewhere that's hot and the sun's blaring and you want to use like curling iron or something. That's really good that I got that. Next, I think everybody got this Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. This is good. And I'm trying out the watermelon Glow Recipe, and that smells like Jelly Ranchers. I'm telling you, it's so good, but I don't know if I'm breaking out with that because my forehead right now is broken out a lot. And that's the only thing I've added. And this doesn't smell like avocado, but it's really nice. It's not like a gel type mask that my watermelon is. So I'm excited to try this. Maybe it's like the gel texture of why. I don't know why, because everybody says good things about this Glow Recipe. So I'm excited to try this one. And avocados are good for you, so, and watermelon. So I'm excited for that. And I've seen how they make the watermelon one, so I'm like really excited. So I think everybody got this Too Faced Cocoa Contour. It's really like, wow, hefty little thing. Actually, it's big. And it has a heart right here, which is cute. So I'm gonna try to open this up. And that's what it looks like. The mirror is gorgeous. And that's what she looks like. Even the deeper tones doesn't look too bad. Like if you see it in person, it's like really not that bad. But this looks really pretty. So you have the highlights up here and then the contour bronzer. I use bronzers as contour, and that is just as nice. To me, it's like a cinnamon, cocoa, chocolate mixture. I don't know, it's like a different mixture. So I'm excited to try this out. And next I got this $1 billion brushes, dual ended. Very nice. This could be like for your nose or like smaller. And then this is for the bigger spots on your face. I'm looking a little pale. So I'm gonna probably do the lightest one. and see how that goes. I like to build it up a little bit more, and what I like to use before I use like the powdered stuff is I've been loving this Laura Geller like this trio right here, but I'm gonna skip it. If you all know, that's like my recent favorite. Okay, I'm gonna dig into this lightest shade here. And then it has a mirror, which is really nice. And go lightly and see how that goes. I like how light products can go. So if you go too dark on me, it just doesn't look good, sadly. So this right here, I haven't showed you any prices. The Glow Recipe is $49. Which is expensive. This one's $44. I wouldn't pay that. This is $30. Definitely wouldn't pay that. And this is $28 so far. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna use a smaller brush to like kind of contour. I like squeeze my nose when I contour. Like I want my nose to look smaller, and then I like blend it out with the larger end of the brush. It's really soft, really comfortable on my skin. It's not too bad. I'm gonna use the medium contour for like the upper. You don't need to use that much. If you want to use it a little bit darker, you know, use very little to see what your liking is and see if it looks good. Now, I am really loving this box that I got. It's really nice. And then for the highlight station, I like to use like to brighten up some certain areas. So I might use, this has like a yellow tone and then this like a pinky tone. I'm gonna use like the yellow tone. Maybe mix them both. This one looks like a blush to me, so. And then to whiten up some areas, like I like to do this, like after I contour sometimes. Let's brighten up a little bit. So I'm using both yellow and the pinky tone right here. And then I'm using like my phone as a mirror too. Silly like that. Okay, I'm gonna try this as a blush and let's see how that goes. I'm experimenting. Like an orangey like glow for the blush. This could be like an any day wear. So it's not too bad as a blush. If you're like a fair skin like I am, you could totally use this for like your whole face. Now if you're a deeper tone, you would probably just wear these under your eyes to brighten that up. I would say so. So with any skin tone, this is perfect. Because you can like experiment and play with this and see what you like. And hopefully you like it all. Like you can brighten, if you're deeper, you could just easily brighten some spots up. And if you're not like into highlighters and you just want to brighten your nose up, I think that would be great. So any skin tone. And it's very pretty. Because I'm the one that likes to brighten my nose up and all that good stuff. So that's what it looks like. And I think it's pretty good. I like it's not too much. I like that. Okay, next. Alright, I got 2 products left, and this is the NARS. I actually swatched this and I was like, oh, I really like it. And I don't have anything NARS. I just think the name of it's kind of funny, NARS. Like Mars, but NARS. Okay, I'm being silly. That's like a light tone. You think it would be darker, but it's light. And then I like it. It's like a Barbie pink on my lips. It was kind of dark on my skin, and then I would like marry this with something neutral tone. It is a mess. With me, lip glosses and liquid lipsticks always runs all over, like it takes over my face. Like it wants to go like all over. You see that? So that's why I like regular lipsticks, because I can manage it more. But I think it's pretty light and not sticky. Maybe like a tad bit sticky on my lips. And I have chapstick on, so even up here it's like, so yeah, it takes a while for me to have lippies on, but I like it. It's pretty. And that was, whoa, everything's falling. This is $26. I would not pay $26, so I'm glad it's in a box. And this is Natasha Denona turquoise, is it? I think on the box it said turquoise. And this is $18. It's a regular pencil. I would not pay, excuse me, $18 for a regular pencil, but it's gorgeous. With this, I would totally wear just under, you know, in my waterline. So let's see. It's going on really nicely. I like color in my waterline. It's so pretty. And this is $18. This goes on really nicely. You don't need to spend too much on applying this. And whoa, my eyes look different. But yeah, I really do enjoy this color. It's really nice and pretty, and went on really nice in my waterline. And that's sometimes the hardest part, is to add something in my waterline that is this color. That's pretty color, and I'm glad to get like a Natasha Denona. So this is variation 56, and when I did the adding up, this cost like $195 for $40 because of the taxes. I'd say it's not bad at all. I do really like this, all the products that I got that are really high-end products. And I'm really enjoying Boxycharm, so I'm glad I get to try these out. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel or comment to my video. Thank you so much for, you know, tuning in. This is June's Box. So, bye for now.